Happiness Pass. Now that's a street name. I would be happy to sell a house to a happy client. Guys, my name is Prateek Verma. I am at the Ryehill new construction development. Last time I was here, there was not as much progress as I see today. If you missed out on the first video, I'm going to put a link of it on top over here and in the comment section. So this is the new development near Sugar Land, Texas. There will be two builders, Pulte and Taylor Morrison, more than 1,000 homes. Their square footage would be starting from 1,600 square feet to 3,500 plus, and the price point, that is the best part. Price point starting at $350,000. Now you are 1 mile, less than 1 mile away from George Ranch High School. You are 5 miles from Smart Financial Center and the new MD Anderson Hospital, and 2 miles away from Memorial Harmon. How can you get such a good location from all these hospitals, schools, and access to Highway 59 at a price point for $350,000 starting and new construction? So guys, this is a good opportunity. I have I think more than 12 plus families who have already shown interest in this. If you know anyone who's trying to move to Sugar Land and wants new construction, reach out to me. My name is Prateek Verma, and I'm going to get you some shots from the drone just to see how much progress has been made. If you have any questions on this new development, reach out to me. Thank you.